Hello everyone. Welcome to EduLite YouTube channel. How are you all? Hoping everyone is fine. Dear students, today we are going to cover 6 standard social science in civics, chapter number 17, democracy. Let's see the question answers of this lesson. Exercise 1. If all powers are controlled by one person, it is called dictatorship. 2. In order to vote, a person should be 18 years. 3. The place where you cast vote is called a polling booth. Second, answer the following questions. 1. What is democracy? Answer. Democracy is a system of government where the people elect their representatives, and the government functions according to the will of the majority. 2. What is the importance of democracy? Answer. Democracy ensures equality among all citizens. It provides opportunities for people to express their opinions and participate in decision-making. It safeguards the rights and freedoms of individuals. 3. What are the challenges of democracy? Answer. Illiteracy among voters can lead to uninformed choices, misuse of money and power during elections, corruption and lack of transparency in governance, inequality in society affecting fair representation. 4. What is the importance of voting? Answer. Voting allows citizens to choose their leaders. It is a way to express public opinion in a democratic system. It ensures accountability of elected representatives. Voting helps in the formation of a government that works for the welfare of the people. Third, discuss in groups and answer 1. The methods candidates follow while canvassing. Answer. Conducting door-to-door campaigns to meet voters, organizing public meetings to explain their goals and promises, distributing pamphlets and using posters to spread their message, using media platforms like television, radio, and social media for promotion, interacting with the public to understand their problems and expectations. 2. Our role in the success of democracy. Answer. Participating actively in elections by voting, being aware of the rights and duties of citizens, avoiding bias based on caste, religion, or region while voting, encouraging others to participate in democratic processes, supporting honest and capable leaders who work for public welfare. So we have seen the question answers in this chapter. If you like the video, please share, like, subscribe, and comment. See you again in the next video. Thank you to all. Bye-bye.